If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be making creamy mushroom soup soup for you guys, and it's gonna have a very simple ingredient. This is a very simple dish yet very delicious and very flavorful. So these ingredients are basically some of the very simple ingredients that everybody has it in their kitchen. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients and then we will go to my stovetop and start cooking there. Okay, first thing, we have some mushroom. I've sliced them up and they're over here. I have some whole milk. I have some water, some white onion. It's preferred if you take white onion for this recipe, but if you don't have white onion, you have red or something, go ahead, no problem, use it. So I have some white onion chopped up, some salt and black pepper, some cornstarch over here to thicken it up, you know it, and some these are dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, please go ahead and use that. It's absolutely your choice whether you want to use the dried or the fresh one. And I have vegetable stock over here. This is Better Than Bouillon. That is the brand I'm using, and this is the vegetable stock. And last thing, I have some canola oil. That's it. These are only the things you'll be needing for this recipe, and it's going to be creamy, it's going to be delicious, it's going to be a bowl of delicious warm soup. So let's get started. Let's go there. But before that, let me remind you that you can find the recipe for this dish in the description box below. There will be a link which will take you to my website. You can check out the recipe, print it out on your phone, or check it in your iPad. Also check out other recipes. So let's get started. Okay, I have my cast iron pot here. You can use any pot you want. The flame is high here over here. And now I'm going to add some canola oil. The first thing that I'm going to do is saute the onion and mushrooms. So I'm going to add in the onions. And I'm going to add in the thyme. I'm going to let it saute for around 1.5 minutes and then add in the mushroom, and then again saute them for good 4 or 5 minutes until they lose all the water and start becoming have a very nice caramelization on them. That is the point where you want to start adding the rest of the ingredients. I can start smelling thyme now. So that is the point where you want to start adding all your mushrooms. The mushrooms go in, every single piece. Just give it a good mix. Add in the salt and black pepper. And now combine everything properly and let them saute for a good 6 to 7 minutes. And stir in between so that nothing gets stuck on the bottom, because we are not really using too much of oil. So, oh my god, it already looks beautiful. You can see here. So I'm going to let them saute now, and I will show you guys in 5-6 minutes how they look. Okay, so you can see they have a very nice caramelization on them, and this is what you want. Now we have reduced the heat to low, and we're going to start adding. The first thing I'm going to add is water. And then to this, I'm going to add Better Than Bouillon, the vegetable stock. Okay, so I'm going to let this start boiling and then add the other ingredients. Now I'm going to add whole milk. Give it a mix, let it start boiling, and once this starts boiling, I'm gonna add the cornstarch mixture. So I added a little bit of water just to give it a mix in the cornstarch, and I'm gonna add this entire thing when this beautiful pot of soup starts boiling. You can imagine how creamy and delicious it's gonna be, and you must be thinking how I'm gonna make it creamy, because right now it does not look creamy. So don't worry, stay tuned till the end of the recipe and you will see how I make this creamy. So now you can see that it is boiling. I am finally going to add the cornstarch. And now because I've added cornstarch, this is gonna thicken up really quick. I just need to keep stirring it, and this will thicken up. And there's one more last step. Once it starts thickening up, I'm going to show you what that last step is to make this soup creamy. For now, I'm just going to keep stirring it and wait for the thickness that I need it. And once it reaches to that point, I'm going to show you how it looks, and we can go on from there. Now, to make it creamy, the last step is to use this hand blender. You can even use it in your normal blender. I'm using a hand blender to make my work easy, so that I can just blend it in right here. And this will make the soup extremely creamy and it will be delicious. So all you need to do is hold this, keep letting it boil in like medium heat, and start blending it. So I'm just going to blend the entire soup and show you once this is ready to serve. My soup is ready. So you can see it has been boiling, and I have also blended it properly. And you can see the consistency. This is what I want for my soup. If you want more thick, you can add a little bit more cornstarch to make it thick, or you can even use all-purpose flour to make it thick. And yeah, and if you want, you can also add heavy cream instead of milk. So yeah, my soup is absolutely ready. I'm going to serve it, and we will do the taste testing then. Okay, so now to serve it, what I'm going to do is just place this butter here, and around this I'm just gonna place some mushroom, and this is ready. Guys, so you saw I added a little bit of butter before serving, so do try that. And let me just do the taste testing. Oh my god, the soup is so good. It has such good flavor. The thyme also gives amazing flavor, so you don't want to miss on that. And it is creamy, it is nice, it is delicious, it is perfect for any kind of weather. It doesn't have to be winters or rainy something, I'm sure. And yeah, that's it. This is the dish that I wanted to show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Do try it, let me know how you like it, and I will see you guys in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.